Start by putting your body in proper alignment. Sit or stand tall and take a couple of regular breaths. Then take a deep breath in while squeezing your shoulders toward your ears. Hold for a second and release the shoulders and the breath at the same time. More oxygen to the brain means better brain activity, and deep breathing aids in digestion. When you are taking the deep breaths in, your stomach should be going out, and as you're breathing out, your stomach should be going in. Repeat this a few more times and continue to do this throughout the day.
If you enjoyed what you learned today, click the like button down below. If you happen to be new, please subscribe to our channel to stay tuned in on upcoming content.